Hello, I'm Sherwin Clutter. Today I'm going to be talking about Mtools. These are tools that Informatica uses for testing multicast connectivity. I'm going to describe the purpose of the individual tools. I'm going to demonstrate how you would find and download the Mtools from the internet. I'm going to walk through the directory structure of the package that you would download. In particular, the documentation for Mtools is found under the testnet subdirectory. And then I will run the first of the tests documented on a couple of VMs I have running on my desktop. There are three executables that comprise Mtools. There's a msend application. It acts as a source for packets. It has a number of controls for controlling the size of the packet, the interface you use if a multi-homed host, the rate of the packets. You can use multicast, regular UTP, or TCP. Then there's mdump. It acts as a receiver for the packets. And finally, there's an mpong application that basically will throw a packet back and forth between two servers. Its primary function is used for measuring round-trip time. So let's find these on the internet. I would use Google. You can use any other internet search engine of your choice. So I always go for Mtools Multicast. Pick the Informatica Mtools link. This will bring you to a My Support webpage. You'll need to have a login and password for My Support to access this, but then you should be able to access the link. You'll get the pop-up for a zip file. Again, I use WinZip. There are many others that work. So now that we have the package, let's open it up. And there are a number of precompiled binaries for various operating systems that are provided as part of this package. The source for the various tools are provided as well as some instructions for building them. So let's look at testnet. So under the testnet directory, there are some HTML files that you can use to read up on Mtools. Now, I have already downloaded those, so let's just open that up. So let's go to the index.html. So this is the index. We're going to go to the initial 5 tests that we would recommend if you were a new customer trying to decide if you could use multicast. I'm going to run briefly test number 1 on a couple of VMs. This is basically testing, very basic multicast connectivity. Okay, so I've cleaned the slate. I have a window for one of my VMs and a window for another VM. Now these are the command lines that are cut right out of the document. For my VMs, they're inappropriate as the interface IP address does not really match my VM. So let's change those first. Okay, so the interface on this box is 192.168.130.128, and for this system it is 192.168.130.129. It's not in the path. So so you can see that between my two VMs, I do indeed have multicast connectivity. And from this point, you can then go on and run the other Mtools tests and test your connectivity as directed by our support team. Well, thank you very much for your time. If you have any comments on the video, please let us know. Thank you very much.